Hi, Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And I'm here with my 5-year-old son, Knox, and we're doing an activity called Tabletop Composing Shapes. And what I've done here...
on the table first.
Yeah, we get to work on the table. Right here, I've made a couple shapes using just some masking tape. I made a, what's this one called? Rectangle.
Rectangle?
Yeah, and this one is a...
Triangle.
And you're eating some ice. What a perfect snack. 0 calories. Okay, so what you do for this activity is you need some shapes, and I have some pattern blocks, but you can use whatever kind of blocks you have around the house. And what the kids are going to do is compose this shape using smaller shapes. So
0 calories, yummy.
The calories, 0 calories is yummy. I wish I could agree with that in every sense of the word. All right, I'm going to start to fill up my shape with other shapes, and you can start to fill up your shape. So a big idea in mathematics is the idea of composition.
I think it said be a race.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be a race. Just you do your speed, I'll do my speed. That things can be composed of other smaller things. Like a number can be composed of smaller numbers. Like the number 5 can be composed of 4 and 1 or 3 and 2.
I'm going to try to do it with these.
Okay, yeah. You want to use all of the hexagons?
Yeah.
Sure.
To fill it all up.
And to fill it all up. You might need some other little shapes
That's
too.
easy.
You can see.
That's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. What about this little blank space right in here where they come together? What could you put right inside that little space right there to fill it in? See if you can find something. So the big idea is composition, that you can use smaller shapes to compose a larger shape. This is a really fun one. It costs nothing, just a little masking tape, some shapes, whatever kind of blocks you have around the house.
You don't have to buy anything.
You don't have to buy anything.
Yeah.
So you have more money to buy toys for your kids, right? I hope you're having a great time building math positive mindsets with your kids. Thanks.